Yes, sir.
Now look at question number 3rd. You have to show that triangle AMP and triangle AMQ which congruence. Okay, we have to show. So for look at this triangle, this is 1, this is 2. I am giving you a name of the triangle 1 and 2. PM is equals to QM. This is PM is equals to QM. Why it was written over here? Because it was given in the question. So you will write region Y because it is given. ठीक है, right? क्यों हम लोगों ने कहा PM is equals to QM because it is given in the question. Similarly, TMA is equals to QMA. This angle will be equal to this one because this is also given to you. ठीक है, AM is equals to OM, that is common. That is common. Okay. Look at the both the triangles 1 and 2. The things which are written over here, these things already given in the figure. Means the things which are make the symbolic form, visually we will take given. Okay. So all the 3 sides, two sides and 1 angle. So here by SAS congruence rule. So by which congruence rule the triangles will congruent? That will be side angle side. Okay. So only you have to write given common SAS. Not nothing else. Okay class?
सर वो कॉमन क्यों लिखा?
Yes, sir.
Common means AM will be AM because it will be common in both the triangles. Look at this. AM is equals to this will be common in both the triangle. That's why
Yes,
we
sir.
call the common. ठीक है?
सर
Now
हमें वन वर्ड में लिखना है या फिर पूरा सेंटेंस लिखना है?
no only one word में.
Common in both triangles.
No only write in one word. No need to write the statement. Question number 4. Look at now triangle ABC. ABC, where is ABC? I think diagram is not given, so that means we need to draw diagrams. Let us take the diagrams in this way. ABC. Okay. Look at this is very interesting question that is asked by Amey Pathak before 1 or 2 days, that if all the angles will be equal. Look at here.
Triple A.
So triple A. Now student says triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by triple A. But tell me one thing. I had told you this property of congruence criteria. Is he justified? Why or why not? Means that if triple A we will use, is it justified for you? Triple A. It is actually not the congruence property. Why? Because angles equal. If angles are equal, then we cannot say about the triangles will be of same size. Because suppose one angle will be formed in this way. Okay, the name of this angle will be ABC. I am taking. Okay, this is 30. This is 40. And this is 110. I think diagram is correct. I will make the diagram again. Just wait. Because angle C is more than 90, that means we have to draw in this way. Okay. This is your C. This is your 30. This is your 40. So this C is your 110. And the next figure will be also drawn, but it's I'm taking if your range. Means this one is more bigger than, because here there is not discussion about sides. We can take any sides, but the angles will be same. क्योंकि angles आपको clarify नहीं करते हैं कि the triangles will be congruent or not. क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पर भी आपको, क्योंकि angles की जो रे होती है वो आप कितनी भी बड़ी कर सकते हो अगर आपको sides की लेंथ नहीं पता. ठीक है, we cannot say that with the help of triple A, because here range measurement is not fixed, line segment measurement is not fixed. That's why we can say that this triple A property will not follow. Means student that saying he is incorrect. right or not?
No,
Okay.
it is.
Means the concept why the students that
yes.
saying triple A used, but he just is he justified? The answer is no, because
No,
he is
he is
not
not.
able to tell the what about the sites concept. Sites का क्या होगा? No one knows in these triangles.
साइड अगर कुछ भी होगी तो फिर एंगल्स नहीं बन सकते ठीक
एंगल तो आपके सेम हो सकते हैं, लेकिन साइड
हाँ।
आपकी सेम नहीं है, देन देयर इज
सेम
अ
नहीं
प्रॉब्लम.
होगी इसीलिए आंसर नहीं आएगा रॉन्ग होगा
हाँ, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड. ठीक है.
हाँ और एक बार अगर हम साइड भी करेक्ट देंगे तो फिर एंगल भी बन जाते हैं उसमें.
हाँ, यस.
इसीलिए ट्रिपल एस है उसमें.
Okay, just let us take next question. Question, yes.
सर हमारे एग्जाम कब होने वाली है?
It
मतलब
was starts around in October 20. Starts around October 20 means 20 October around it will be started and get finished before Diwali vacation around 30th October. 30 or 29 it will be finished.
वीक में स्टार्ट होने वाला है दिवाली 14 नवंबर आई गेस.
Probably it was started in second last week of October. Okay, not second.
Yes,
सर एनुअल डे
Not
होने
second,
वाला है.
not second, third week of the October. It will be started in
Sir,
third
annual
week.
day
online
It
offline
will
offline
be
होने वाली?
means those who are coming on offline, them offline. Those who are online, their exams online. ठीक है?
Yes sir. Yes.
But it was
Sir, I
not
will
decided yet. We will decide when the principals will decide this regarding this. Then their decision will be superior. ठीक है? Not mine. Because I am not the authorized person to tell you it will be online, offline, whatever they decide. Okay? Then
सर
that will
एनुअल
be.
डे
that will
होने
happen.
वाला है.
Question number 4. Don't ask the questions which I don't know the answer.
ओके.
ठीक है? In the figure means figure as given. These two figures are two triangles are congruent in the figure. Two triangles are congruent. The corresponding part are marked. Okay, यानी कि दोनों triangles आपके कैसे equal congruence हैं. Then you have to find the congruent part. Now means आपको red RAT triangles आपको कौन से ट्राइंगल्स के इक्वल होगा? देन लुक एट हियर. नाउ हियर द कंसंट्रेशन इज मोर रिक्वायर्ड. RAT is congruent to definitely with this triangle, but what is the name of the triangle?
OWN.
OWN. No.
और NOW और या
No,
फिर
no,
कुछ भी
no.
हो सकता है.
Look at R angle is equals to which one? Only from here you will clarify. W. That means W will come first. W will come first. A means this angle, double points means O. WON. Because third, if 2 is clear, then third is automatically N. है ना?
Yes.
यानी कि चूहा किसके बराबर होगा? 1 के बराबर, जीतने के बराबर होगा. ठीक है? Red RAT is equals to congruent to WON. Okay, बच्चा पार्टी?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now question number 6. Complete the congruence statement. Complete the congruence statement. Means both the triangles we have to firstly give the SAS, triple S, single side angle or RHS. So after that we will decide which triangle is congruent to this one. So let us take this side is equal to this side in both the triangles. Let the name of the triangle that will be BCA and BTA. Okay, and this side is equal to this side.
is common.
This side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side, and this angle. Okay, so there will be so many properties here applied. Here RHS here RHS is also applied.
RHS.
Look at here, right angle is given equal, this is equal, this is right angle, this is also right angle. So right hypotenuse, क्योंकि right के सामने की साइड हमने बताई थी ना hypotenuse होती है,
Hypotenuse.
and this is any one of the side, others one, I mean this one is equal to this one, तो right hypotenuse
ट्रिपल एस
side.
भी होगा.
और देखो ध्यान, try to understand very carefully, right hypotenuse side, or look at here, side angle side, because this AB is common in both the triangles. Look at here, yes or no, in both the triangles AB will be common.
हाँ.
तो साइड एंगल साइड मीन्स आप किसी एक प्रॉपर्टी को राइट कर दो, तो आई एम राइटिंग हियर साइड एंगल साइड, ठीक है, साइड एंगल साइड से आपका बोथ द ट्रायंगल्स विल बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट, देन BCA इज इक्वल्स टू विच ट्रायंगल, दैट विल बी BTA. यस और नो, प्लीज टेल मी.
Yes.
देखो
Yes, sir.
BC is equals to which one? BC is firstly, then BT must be firstly. क्योंकि ये साइड एक्सेस पर है ना दोनों, तो BT. Then third one is remaining. It will be again, it will be BTA. Similarly over here, this question is very important. This diagram is very important actually. If you will write QRS, it was fixed QRS. Q. Look at this figure, QRS. That means a QR must be equals to this one. अब बात यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बात अभी खत्म नहीं होती, अभी थोड़ा सा डाउट है. तो अभी look at the diagram very carefully. This QR is equals to, अब आप QR किसके इक्वल है, आपका PT यहाँ पे राइट करोगे कि TP राइट करोगे. This is the important thing only. Both line segment are same, but the writing pattern in this congruence chapter only your writing pattern is more important. ठीक है
Sir, TP.
देखो अब QR डेफिनेटली QR इन दोनों के इक्वल है, लेकिन आप वाकई में राइट क्या करोगे, तो नाउ लुक एट दिस एंगल, दिस विल कंफर्म यू और दिस विल कंफर्म यू. Q, लुक एट हियर, Q में आपका वन डॉट है कि नहीं है, ये वन एंगल बना हुआ है. क्या है भैया आज मैं राइटिंग पैड दिक्कत कर रहा है शायद, अगेन एवरी
I guess PT.
समटाइम्स very frustrating.
I mean TP.
So look at this angle will be equal to this one, यानी कि Q is equals to T. So Q is first year prior, then we will write TP. So QR will be TP, it was fixed now. ठीक है, अब QR is equals to TP हम यहाँ पे राइट कर सकते हैं, तो बचा क्या था आपका, that will be Q. Yes or no? Please tell me.
हाँ सर, TP बोला था मैंने.
तो QRS is congruent to TPQ.
TPQ.
आप अगर दूसरा ट्रायंगल राइट कर दोगे तो आपको क्वेश्चन गलत माना जाएगा. अब अगर यहाँ पे आप PTQ राइट कर दोगे QRS की कॉन्ग्रुएंस, तो आपका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, गलत. ठीक है, इसलिए ध्यान से समझो, मैं आपको बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ बहुत ध्यान से समझाने की. पहले दो अल्फाबेट इक्वल है QR, तो QR के इक्वल आपकी कौन सी लाइन है, TP है कि PT है. No doubt both things are same, but in congruence chapter only you have to make concentration on in the arrangement of the alphabet. Both are same thing, but which one is most appropriate, that TP is most appropriate. Why TP is most appropriate? Because this angle Q is equals to T, यानी Q आपका पहले है तो हम T पहले रखेंगे, नॉट P पहले रखेंगे. ठीक है, नहीं तो मामला गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बात समझ में आई कि नहीं है. इसका अगर आप ये रखोगे, if you will write firstly P, it means Q is equals to P angle. क्या Q is equals to P के इक्वल है क्या, नहीं है, तो आप नहीं राइट कर सकते हो. Then QRS is congruent to triangle which one, TPQ. you can match in the diagram. Q is equals to T. Q is equals to T, correct. R is equals to P. R is equals to P, correct.
P correct.
S में आपका देखो डॉट बना हुआ है, यहाँ पर देखो Q. S is equals to Q, right. अब लाइन सेगमेंट मैच कर लो. QR is equals to TP. QR is equals to TP, correct.
Correct.
RS is equals to PQ. RS is where? This one. RS.
Yes, correct.
Three sign. ठीक है. और two sign. Which one? Corner. QS and TQ. QS and TQ.
Everything is perfect.
Everything is perfect. So you means the order of the alphabets is more important. So please keep this in your mind whenever you are writing the angle's name. Please concentrate on the diagram, because if you will.
सर ये पूरा लॉजिक का खेल है इसमें.
हाँ, very good. Only here there is no mathematical part. Only here your understanding level will be checked. And one thing I will clear: those who are regular in my classes, they will get everything from here. Those who are not regular in my classes, they will not get anything from here. It's a means of open statement. If you are regular.
सर मैं फर्स्ट डे के लिए नहीं था प्रेजेंट, फिर भी मैंने वीडियो देखने से मुझे पता चल गया सब.
Yes, that's why now change the techniques. That after the meeting gets over, your class recording video will be uploaded in YouTube. I share the link. It watch in the group. Open that link and watch the video. Those who not get the concept, watch the first video of this chapter. Then you will get each and everything, because everything will be discussed in detail.
Sir, I have watched every video of this chapter.
And some videos are also uploaded from the last year class. You can also go through with that one. Okay?
Yes.
You will also go
In
through
your
with
first
that
school.
one, because there are so many videos are there regarding your syllabus at least. So you can watch others video also. Those means for your syllabus. Okay? Now question number 7. Question number 7, I will move on. In a squared sheet, draw two triangles of equal areas such that the triangles are congruent, the triangles are not congruent. अब ये क्वेश्चंस थोड़ा सा हमें एक्टिविटी से आपको समझाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? तो मैं I will turn on my video. I think my video off. तो हालांकि आप मुझसे भी समझ जाओगे.
सर स्क्रीन शेयर स्टॉप करके आप अपनी वीडियो को स्पॉटलाइट करो.
हाँ,
सबको दिखेगी.
Just wait. Yes, Amin, what you told?
सर स्पॉटलाइट करो आपकी वीडियो को.
सबको दिखेगी.
Spotlight for everyone.
अच्छा.
Yes.
अभी हो गए. सर सबको अभी पिन हो गई आपकी वीडियो.
सर फिर भी मैं गैलरी में जा सकता हूँ.
Now listen, I learned from this. I learned from you guys this thing. Thank you so much, Amebeta.
Welcome, sir. So that is our job.
Sometimes teacher will also learn. That's why everyone is learner. I'm also learning from yours. Something from means technology wise, I will learn so many things from your side. Like earlier, I think one student I told me these type of things. है ना? So just wait. I will make I'm taking the square sheet. Then I will make the diagram over there. ठीक है? Otherwise, if I will be quite easy to with the help of activity.
सर और अगर आपको वैसा हार्ड जा रहा है तो अभी इस जूम में एप्स भी आ गए जिससे आप वर्चुअली ऐसे दिखा सकते हो.
हाँ सर.
वीडियो पे
Like
आप
virtual backgrounds.
वर्चुअली कोई भी शेप्स ला सकते हो. उसे माउस से भी ला सकते हो, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप वगैरह.
हाँ सर, यहाँ पे
आपका नाम याद नहीं आ रहा बस.
From where?
सर रिएक्शन के बाजू में एप्स. रिएक्शन के बाजू में.
Okay.
सर आप भी मत जाओ, आपका पीसी क्रैश पड़ जाएगा सर.
हाँ सर, क्योंकि
वो बहुत सारे उसमें एप्स है इसलिए.
चलो ठीक है. I will try after the class with means with blank ID means मैं with my on IDC I will join
So
the
there is
link.
one app, Draw with Scrabble Together Whiteboard.
हाँ
Where?
शायद सर अभी मत करो, आपका जूम क्रैश हो जाएगा।
Okay,
उसमें
okay,
बहुत
okay.
सारे ऐप्स होते हैं, उसके डेटाबेस बहुत हार्ड होता है।
So the question will be what? Let me just read. In a square sheet, draw two triangles of equal areas. ठीक है? So suppose for while this I am showing the sheet to you, that will be squared. If it is not squared, take it as a square. ठीक है? Okay? Means consider that one as, but I will try to make the will make that sheet will be square. Now is this, look at this paper, it is looks
हाँ,
like
sir,
a
एकदम
square
smooth
sheet.
लग रहा है।
Okay,
एकदम clear, yes.
okay, if this is a square, then I will make a triangle with the help of this square sheet. ठीक है? So look at the triangle. If the triangle is visible, I think I need to cut it down
फिर
something.
उसके कॉर्नर्स,
हाँ, कॉर्नर्स हमें हटाने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि अब ऐसा क्यों है, क्योंकि स्क्वायर शीट नहीं थी, मैंने कुल मानने के लिए बोला था आपको। ठीक है, इट विल बी रेक्टेंगुलर शीट। इफ इट विल बी स्क्वायरल,
स्क्वायर लग रही थी, दूर से।
लग रही थी, लेकिन कभी कभी लगने वाली चीज होती नहीं ना वैसी एज इट इज। क्योंकि कभी
Don't
कभी
judge anyone.
sometimes the things is looking like same but exactly they are, when we measure they are not same, right?
हाथी के दांत दिखाने कुछ और होते हैं, खाने के कुछ और होते हैं।
अच्छा समझदार है।
Sir, I have
Now
seen
look
your
at
video in
this is
first
square,
school.
this is your now perfect square sheet, but don't worry about the edges.
Yes.
Now look at the triangle. So I have made a triangle with the square sheet. Look at this triangle. So what is the area? This means this flat surface is your area of this triangle.
Area, yes.
Right?
And the sides are perimeter.
Not sides of perimeter. Means that means suppose I will write something here in this sheet. So on which part I am writing? Look at the screen. Some red marks was there. See, I have made the red marks in area, not the perimeter. Perimeter are the boundaries.
Yes, the
Right?
sides.
Perimeter are the boundaries.
Yes.
And if you write something inside here, that will be area. So
Area.
I have taken this one as one triangle. Okay? And what other statements in the question? Now the triangles are congruent. Means look at there. If I make with the diagonals, both the triangles will be congruent, which made over here, which was red sign, which was not red sign. Okay? Both the triangles will be congruent because in a square sheet I have folded from along its diagonal, so both the triangles will be congruent always in the square.
मिडिल लाइन होगी कॉमन।
So both the red part triangle this side and this side will be congruent, right?
Same. Yes.
Same. So definitely if they are same, then whatever you will write here in the blank and here red one, that will be area will be same, right or not? That means
right.
Yes, sir.
so the conclusion will be there. If the two triangles are congruent, then their areas will always equal. Please keep this in mind. Actually this concept will be over in 9th standard. We will prove this theorems. There will be theorems are there. Means if the triangles are congruent, their areas will also equal. Mathematically we will prove, but right now with the help of activity it is very easy, है ना? With the help
Yes.
of ये तो with the help of मतलब कैसा क्वेश्चन हुआ? बिल्कुल कैसा? Tell me the word.
मतलब ये
बाएं हाथ का
sir
खेल,
मतलब
you can say,
हाँ
है ना? I'm not saying that word that I want to say, ठीक है? So but they are both
What sir,
triangles
sir,
are-
sir.
they're congruent, then their areas will be also equal, right?
yes.
Okay, now second part says triangles are not congruent. Let us take I'm taking two different triangles and what it says is not triangles congruent but areas are equal. सो यानी कि आपको बस ट्राइंगल्स आपको लेना है जो जिसके एरियाज इक्वल है लेकिन वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं है। अब वो कैसे करेंगे, थोड़ा सा सोचना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। अब आई एम टेकिंग नाउ टू अदर्स टू ट्राइंगल्स। just wait.
Yes, sir. Just wait. Just wait.
Look at these sheets, rectangular sheets or spiral sheet, whatever you will take. I will draw a triangle with the folding techniques, ठीक है।
Sir,
हाँ एक मिनट, यस बेटा बोलो। जस्ट आप
sir, I have watched your video in first year. You are in which school? That you are march passing.
वेरी गुड। इट वाज सरदार पटेल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल इन कानपुर। It was the function of means 15th of August. So how many of you have watched that video?
It's
सर
very
मैंने
nice.
बस उसका थंबनेल देखा और कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने देखा नहीं उसे बट
So, मैंने
Okay.
पूरा देखा है.
अब एक्चुअली मुझे आई एम लर्निंग हाउ टू अपलोड द वीडियोज इन यूट्यूब। आई एम नॉट एक्सपर्ट, ठीक है। अब आप लोग भाई टेक्नोलॉजी के जमाने के बच्चे हो, सब कुछ जानते हो। हम लोग उस समय टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी। नाउ आई एम लर्निंग। सो लर्निंग की कोई भी एज नहीं होती है ना। एट एनी टाइम एनी कैन लर्न। कृष्णा काप से विल यू प्लीज टेल मी वेयर यू आर?
At North
लंदन।
India.
सर वो पूरा लंदन में जा रहा है, 365 days traveling in the car.
कृष्णा बेटा,
Sir,
Is
record
there-
तो हो रहा है.
is there your parents was there inside car?
सर वो अपने दुकान के पास है शायद से, वो बोल रहा था एक दिन।
अच्छा, मतलब कार में ही बैठा रहता है, कार में नेटवर्क ज्यादा
हाँ
आता है।
सर, शायद से उसके घर पे बहुत गर्मी होगी इसीलिए वो कार में एसी
नहीं,
लगा के।
नहीं.
हाँ
सर उसने
आराम
कहा
से।
था कि उसके मम्मी का मोबाइल खराब है.
वाली अम्मा है, उसने वो ऐड देखी होगी अन अकेडमी वाली, जिसको पढ़ा है कि जिन्होंने वो गाड़ी में बैठती नहीं कि लड़की, और अन अकेडमी क्रैक।
अरे हाँ सर, उसने तो पूरा ऐड को ही डिट्टो कॉपी कर लिया। सर अभी बस बाल आने रह गए उसको, इतने बड़े लड़की की तरह हो जाएगा। सर सिर्फ 11 बच्चे रह गए, 11 बच्चे रह गए।
हाँ?
सर सिर्फ 11 बच्चे हैं अभी।
Then what should I do? I cannot do anything. Now look at
सर, आज
this
PTM में
triangle,
नहीं आ सकता हूँ।
this triangle and this triangle. Both are looks like same. Okay.
But they are not.
Looks, suppose both are looks like same, then definitely their area will be equal. If I am putting
Yeah.
teacher, if I am keeping, look at there in this way, okay, and
The sizes are different.
एक मिनट, in this way, look at there. So
Yes.
the triangles will look like with equal areas. If I will put this triangle in different ways, like in this way, so definitely their area is equal, but they are not congruent. Look at
Yes,
there.
because
देखो,
they are
आप इसको अगर ऐसे रखोगे तो आपको हर चीज मतलब
same.
equal दिखेगी, means they are congruent as well as equal. If you will put down this triangle and one triangle in different way, like in this way, so definitely there's, because
It will not
triangles
come.
वही हैं आपके, triangles are same but not their
Yes.
triangles are same, their areas but not their congruent, right?
Yes.
एरिया
That's
उनका
right.
वही है लेकिन आप साइड्स का देखो कोई साइड कहीं जा रही है, कोई साइड कहीं जा रही है. So there's areas are equal but they are not congruent. तो यही क्वेश्चन में है आपका कि आपके एरियाज इक्वल हैं लेकिन वो ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं है. So this question will be done with the help of activity. Otherwise its solution I will send in the group. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm coming back to the textbook.
Sir, 1 minute is remaining.
Yes.
1 minute? No, 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
2 minutes.
No,
we
sir.
have.
हाँ.
अरे 2 है ना?
Don't tell me incorrect time. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now draw
Less than
rough
1 minute
sketch
plus
of
1.
2 triangles. Look at draw rough sketch of 2 triangles such that they have 5 pairs of congruent part. 5 pairs of congruent part means 3 side 2 angles or 2 angles no 3 angles तो हो नहीं सकते आपके congruency. हाँ, so you have to take this one 3 side and 2 angle. आपको
हाँ.
2 ट्राइंगल्स लिखने हैं, 2 कॉन्ग्रुएंट है आपके, उसको रफ स्केच आपको ड्रॉ करना है. जैसे सपोज दीज आर द 2 ट्राइंगल्स. ओके, राइट. ओके, तो इट्स look at here, this angle 90 will be equal, this C is equals to R. Okay, and let us take this side is equals to this side, this side is equals to this, not 3,
Sir, less than 1 minute.
2 symbol, and this side is equals to
The
this
meeting
side.
is about to end.
That means 3 sides are there and 2 angles are there. In any 2 triangles they are congruent, then there will be 5
Yes.
parts must be there. ठीक है, 5 parts must be
उनका
there.
area अलग
Yes.
So this is your activity part question. Draw rough sketch yourself. आपको 5 parts राइट करने हैं, यानी 3 sides और 2 angles उनके. तो इसी क्वेश्चंस को ड्रॉ कर लेना, इसी से आपका आंसर निकल आएगा. Do question number 9. This is your DIY. Question number 9 DIY. Do it yourself. This is very easy. ठीक है. Now question number 10.
Sir, meeting will end